Hi all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the Craft with Heart subscription service cut above layout kit for July. This one looks really fun. Staycation layout and then an on the road layout, and I've done both of those this year, so I think it'll be really fun. I'm sure I have some pictures for this. I'm going to go ahead, put this together. If you've never used or never seen these Craft with Heart subscription cut above layout kits, they are so easy. You can end up with all of this done in probably 45 minutes to an hour at the most. So awesome way to take some time for yourself. It's always a good idea to take time for yourself to feed that inner person who loves creativity. And this is an easy way to do it because everything is cut for you. You have simple instructions. I mean, how much more simple could it be? 5 steps, done. So let me show you real quick what's in the kit. So you get all of your little cutout pieces already pre-cut for you. So I'm going to put those off to the side. You get photo placeholders if you're like me and don't have your photos on the ready. You can go ahead and use the placeholders. You can also use these as mats. And if you want to make them a different color, just use ink, use markers. You can change the edges to any color that you like. And then you've got some pre-made mats for you. So there's that. And then it also comes with the stickers. So these are the stickers. They're hard cardstock stickers, really nice. And they're clearly marked layout 1, layout 2, so you know which ones go with which. Put that to the side. You also get all of your die cuts. And these pop out really easy, and you'll see that I just trim off the little nubs. You don't even have to do that. I just have a tendency to be a little perfectionist, so I know. It also comes with pre-printed background pages. So these will be the pages for layout 1, and then here are the pages for layout 2. Isn't this cute? I love this. I think these layouts are going to be some of my favorite ones. So I am going to go ahead and get started putting this together. I will put some music on, and then I will be back at the end to show you the finished product. So I hope you enjoy. And like I thought, these turned out so cute. And it only took me about 35 minutes to make them both. So to make both layouts, that's amazing to me. 35 minutes and you have 4 pages. And they turned out so cute. Great places for some journaling here, lots of places for photos. You could also use flip flaps and add even more photos. That would be really cool. So, and then putting these letters on was extremely easy. I didn't measure it out or anything. It's not perfect, but you know what? No one will ever notice that. But it turned out great. And then this one, I think this is probably my favorite one. I love the car and all the, I love the colors together. Everything on it just turned out so cute. And I love this little guy right here. So those are the two-page layouts for the Craft with Heart July Cut Above Layout Kit subscription service. If you have any questions about the subscription service, I do have a link down below to my store. And when you get to my store, you can just see subscription right along the top ribbon. And you can check that out and see what you think. They are changing the process a little bit. They used to offer month-to-month subscriptions where you just got a month at a time. They are changing that to the only subscriptions they're going to be offering are the 4-month package or the 1 year. If you get the 1 year, you do get 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints every 4 months. So that's a pretty awesome thing. Plus, you don't pay any shipping. On the 4-month at a time, you will pay shipping on that, and you don't get the free prints. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave those for me down below. I thank you so much for coming and watching today. If you aren't already a subscriber, if you would help me out and just click that little red subscribe button, it doesn't cost anything. It just lets YouTube know that you like my channel. And if you hit the like button, that means you like the video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.